Namaste and welcome to Sanket Creations. I am Sanket Devre and today I will be reviewing my first DSLR camera, which is Canon 200D Mark II. So let's get started. So this is my Canon EOS 200D Mark II camera. As you can see, look-wise and quality-wise, this is a very professional DSLR. First of all, let us talk about the kit contents of this camera. In the kit, I got this camera body, a single lens and a strap. All these things were placed and attached safely by the shopkeeper, and this lens was covered with a lens cap. Next, I have got a charger for the battery of the camera and a power cord. I have placed the LPE17 battery and the 16GB memory card, which I had got with this camera, in this slot. And lastly, this is the big quick start guide and some complimentary workshop cards. This camera has a very good grip, so we can hold it steadily while taking pictures or videos. This is the camera flash. You can lift the flash up as per your need and preference. This is the port where you can attach HDMI or micro USB cable. And on the other side we get a port for external microphone. Basically, this is a single lens camera with 1855mm lens along with 24.1 megapixel APS-C MOS sensor with dual pixel autofocus. As you can see, there are many switches and dials on this camera. Now we will quickly turn this camera on. This is a touchscreen LCD screen which can perform 360-degree rotation. Using the 360-degree rotation of the LCD display, you can make vlogs very easily because you can see your own face on the screen. As you can see, we are currently on Scene Intelligent Auto mode. This is the viewfinder. We can easily switch between viewfinder shooting and live view shooting using this button here. As you can see, we have easily switched into live view shooting. Now, before moving towards the other features, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon below the video. Now let us turn on the display. For focusing, here we get two options. One is that you can press the shutter button halfway, so the camera will focus on your subject automatically. Or you can also use the touchscreen to focus and the camera will track the object. Now here I am showing you how well the camera focuses and tracks the object. As you can see here, I am moving the camera and it is tracking my subject. Now let us explore the different modes of this camera. We are currently on Scene Intelligent Auto mode. Here you can choose various scenes such as landscape, portrait, group photo, etc. You can switch between different scenes according to your preference. Now let us move towards the creative filters mode. Here you get many creative effects such as grainy black and white soft focus, fisheye effect, water painting effect, etc. This is the manual exposure mode. Here you can adjust your frame rate, ISO and aperture all in one go. This is the AV mode. Here you can specifically choose the aperture you want for your image. Similar is the case in TV mode. Here you can choose your preferred frame rate. And finally in P or program AE mode, you can adjust the brightness of your image. Now I am showing you how this dial works. You can adjust different settings using this dial, like this. Here we have got this ISO button. Using this you can quickly set your ISO for your image. Now let us move towards the video mode. The main plus point of video shooting in this camera is that you can shoot your videos in 4K. Here you get many other settings which you can adjust accordingly. As we saw in the photo mode, in video mode too we have got this tracking and focusing feature, and also a very good feature of eye autofocus. We have got an info button over here. By clicking on this you get all the information about the image or video you have clicked. This is the menu option. Here you get all the user-friendly settings that you would like to have in your camera. This is the Canon Camera Connect app. Using this app you can take your photos from the camera to your Android or iOS device, or you can also try out the remote live view shooting for group photos. If you are searching for a nice DSLR which is good for both photography and videography, or you are a vlogger, I will surely recommend this camera for you. If we talk about the price range of this DSLR, you will get it around 50,000 rupees. You can buy this DSLR online by clicking on the link given in the description below. I have also given the link in the description for the location of the store from which I have brought this camera. I have added some sample photos and videos which I have taken using this camera, so please watch the video till the end. If you like the video, please click on the like button below. And also don't forget to leave your comments.
बाबा. अरे कोणतं गाणं आहे तुझ्या? बघा इकडं इकडं बघा.
You can check the audio quality of this camera. I have not used any external mic.